Hello and welcome back to Sultanic Life.
Hi everybody, it's so nice to have you along again.
So we're going on another adventure.
Stop! Before you go on the adventure, we want to say thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of you that are following and to all those new subscribers. Thank you very much for joining the channel.
We appreciate all the comments in the comment section, so feel free to comment.
Yep, we have lots of laughs about the comments, so keep them coming. Like
and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll never miss another video.
That's it.
So we're going on another adventure.
Yep, an amazing adventure. It's a long journey. It's about 2,000 kilometers from Cape Town, so it's a good drive. But we are going to the Garden of Eden.
So the Garden of Eden is the wettest part of Namibia in the northeast, known as the Caprivi Strip. There are some national parks there. They're not so well known, and we're going to take you there and show you what that's all about. So it's a wilderness area. We'll be wild camping amongst all the big animals like lions, elephants, hippos, crocodiles.
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes is a big one. We'll be cooking on fires and spending beautiful evenings around starry nights and campfires and trilling frogs. So our big challenge is going to be in the Nkasa Rupara National Park to get to the Linyanti River. There will be water crossings,
campfires, lekker food, a bit of profanity most probably.
Oh wait, I'm not finished. The fire is raging.
Papa won't know. Yes, madam.
In this vast swamp, we are going to be doing the swamp safari.
Now we're going to drink some moonshine.
We are going to be surrounded by
5 rivers.
Don't be impatient. Do you want to name them? See if you can name them.
Okay, the Okovango, the Zambezi, the Linyanti, the Kwando,
and the Chobe.
And the Chobe.
Coming.
this video, click the like and subscribe button. It's a free way to support us.